Hey there, welcome back. Always appreciate you guys checking out these videos. Here's a cute mechanical flying birds by TPS, and they have a voice, unlike many of us. So let's wind these little birdies up and see what they do. Well, it appears the red one's a little tired. The shaft does move, so I don't know. The box depicts it as both revolving. Could be off, could need to be tightened, but still a very cute, charming toy. And a nice, easy one to film, and good action, and I appreciate again, you guys looking, and don't forget to leave a like, remarks, and again, subscribe. See ya.